So, mag-open na po sa parcel guys. So, it's been a while. Murag duway-duway jud ko wala naka-vlogging and taon-taon po jud ko wala jud nag-film kay you know, napaway ta pero bitaw muna siya atong parcel from Australia. So, i-open na nato siya sa way pagduha asa nang ako ang gunting diri. Oh, by the way, thank you so much sa nagpatag ani. Always thank you very much. And yeah, it's a Christmas gift all the way from the land of Australia. So, let me show you. Kuyawan na kita anigit, no? Kuyawan. Saan siya? I don't want to, ruin the box as much as possible. Pero, hindi na ito sa malikayan. Wow! Halaka! Kuratan! Ano sabi siya? Sandal shampoo. Halaka, uy! Thank you so much, ha? Ay, kahumak! It really smells good, Very fresh scent. This one is this. Halaka! Wow. I like it so much. Kasi there is a spillage na usik siya. Ay grabe, it smells so good. Wow. Wow. Hala, oy. Amoy mayaman. It's very, very rich smell. Wow, wow, wow. So, isa siya kaset, no? Wow. Isa kaset siya. The frozen shower kit. Okay, thank you so much for that. And wow, ang pagka-perfume, ha? Scarlet Love. Wow, so nice, like very elegant packaging. So let's try this one. I-try na to ni mag-English Bisaya na lang ko guys kay para po maisa na lang ang pagka-vlog ba. So pasensyahin na lang ninyo ang pagka-sulti sa mga Bisaya. But yes guys, Scarlet Love. Wow. Perfect. And take note, it's Eau de Parfum, ha? Mayaman sa baho. It's so, like, you smell so rich. Very, very rich smell. And then, siya lotion. Nga? Okay, sealed pa siya dyan, no? Hala ka humot, ani. Uy! I'm so tired. Kapoy gunta dyan ko, pero nawala dyan siya. It's all gone because, grabe ka humot. Shucks. Thank you very much. Ay, this is so very elegant yung smell. From the packaging, yung muna siyang makon. So, duha na, no? Pwede na gid kuratan na gid, kuyawan na gid ta. This one, wow. So cute. Ay, wala na ba tayo gibuhat? Princess to. Ka-princess ba? Princess. Ano na siya? Tingnan niyo ang drama niya guys. Look. Mura sa magadulaan, no, pang kiddies, pero lip balm set siya. Kinilaging ato ang bakba nga. Kinabako kaayo. I-try na to ang marshmallow. So nasa marshmallow, strawberry, caramel, and cherry. I-try na to sa marshmallow. Siya, nasa flavor, no? Thank you. Wapo ka siya nice ang yung effect. Lip balm set. And of course, the last entry would be this one. Let's open. Maluwin na gid ang envelope. So just for you, and that's for my eyes only. Thank you so much. So yes, and wow. Different. Ganyan. So, this, I like all of this. Ganahan kay ko guys. It smells so good. Like, So yeah, thank you so much for this very special gift. Christmas gift. Salamat kaayo. So yeah, muna siya. Goodbye for now.